of April 2024, Mrs. Orefile Masire, a representative and board member of the Chamber of Commerce Business Botswana, was invited to the Basotho Business Empowerment Forum, where she explained that the government of Botswana is committed to empowering its citizens to participate in the mainstream economy.
To the organization, issues that are affecting that particular sector. For example,
she explained that the business people of Botswana created a local level consultative council, or the LLC, where they have open dialogues with their local government. These councils are co-chaired by the district commissioners across the country, in the districts, rural areas, and the city of Gaborone.
Commissioner, and then that's where we raise all issues that affect the small businesses. For example, in Gaborone, the main issue will be maybe the security on our businesses, the break-ins and all that. We'll discuss things like that. The power, how power is expensive for business people, because we find that as a business you are charged more than the domestic usage. So we will be discussing those issues at a local level. And then if the issue cannot be resolved there by the local level, we take it up. We have also what is called sector level consultative council. Sector level consultative council. Our board is mainly on sector. So all the sectors, as I mentioned them, Banadidi chairpersons. A board member is a chairperson. So quarterly we meet with the minister relevant. If I'm chairing air trade, so air trade, business Botswana, we will talk about all issues that we feel they affect doing business. And then quarterly, we meet with the minister. Minister will chair that meeting, and then we come up with resolutions on what needs to be done. If it fails there, we elevate it to what is called high-level consultative council, whereby board of business Botswana become ministers, and the ministers also attend. So it's chaired by the president, and then we present our issues, and the president of Botswana. So we share our issues. We tell them we have gone through A, B, C, D, and the issue is not yet is still not being resolved. And with this dialogue, I think really it has helped a lot. At least the issues are elevated to the highest level, whether they are resolved or not, but they are elevated to the highest level in the country. We came up with the Citizen Economic Empowerment Policy, which is now a law, whereby really driving citizen inclusion, supporting citizen companies, and preferential procurement with the key objectives of creating employment. With this citizen, we came up with this, and it's being approved and it's being implemented, whereby big businesses and the parastatals and government organizations, they should, during the tendering process, they should give priority to 100% owned businesses. Priority is given to 100% owned businesses.
There's a law that has been passed here in Lesotho. The law is not being implemented because the fear of our government is that it's going to affect the relationships of Lesotho and the other countries, not businesses, because of the people who have taken over the Basotho businesses. In other words, our citizens cannot benefit because we are afraid if they get given their rightful ownership of businesses or greater percentages, that is going to affect the relationships between Lesotho and the countries where these foreign nationals are from.
So, but to be honest, I know already when it was first debated, some people felt the same, but Botswana, our president took a position that is not going to miss his ways as we cannot watch the match in our own country and not participating in our own economy. So we have given them 60%. Why should we worry about that? Unless if we are saying that we are giving them nothing. They come, we have the relationships, yes, it's okay, but many countries, I can't go to China and start just like that. I wouldn't give you a way to start. And then one thing that we have noticed as Batswana, these other countries, when they come to Botswana, the first thing that they want to meet the minister, they want to meet the president. But what we are saying is that if I live here and go to Nigeria, will I say I want to see the president or the minister? No, I want to see the business people. So that's what we are driving at. As business people, we should not, we are not apologetic about it.